Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing and quilting with the Brother computerized sewing and quilting machine. If you're in the market for the best máquinas de coser Brother available, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The Brother XR9550 is more than just a sewing machine. It's a powerhouse of creativity and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting out on your sewing journey, this machine has something to offer for everyone. With 165 built-in stitches, a wide table, and 8 included presser feet, the possibilities are endless. But what sets this machine apart from the rest? Stick around as we uncover all the features and benefits of the Brother XR9550. Let's start with the basics. The Brother XR9550 comes equipped with 165 unique built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches and 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes. This means you'll never run out of options when it comes to creating beautiful garments, quilts, and more. Plus, with the intuitive LCD display, selecting your stitches and settings is easier than ever. One of the standout features of the Brother XR9550 is its ease of use. Thanks to the automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin, threading the needle is a breeze. Plus, with the included instructional DVD and Brother at your side support, you'll have all the resources you need to get started on your sewing journey. But it's not just about ease of use. The Brother XR9550 is also built to last. With a sturdy metal frame and durable construction, this machine can handle even the toughest sewing projects with ease. And thanks to the wide table and free arm capability, you'll have plenty of space to work on larger quilting projects. In conclusion, the Brother XR9550 is the ultimate sewing and quilting machine for beginners and pros alike. With its wide range of features, ease of use, and durability, it's no wonder why it's considered the best máquinas de coser Brother available in the market. So why wait? Take your sewing skills to the next level with the Brother XR9550. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.